I think we are live.
Are you sure?
Gaurav, we are live.
Alright, hi everyone. I welcome you all to Music Veranda. जो है मत वालों का, दिल वालों का, गाने से इश्क करने वालों का. जी हाँ, Music Veranda. It's an initiative to take music to many in lockdown times. Welcoming our honorable guest Sheetal Gupta ji and all FB viewers. Myself, Gaurav Bhardwaj. I'm a singer. I'm a performer. And I believe in music. I love music, and I sleep with music. I eat with music. I do music every time. So सभी लोगों का स्वागत है यहाँ पे. तो शीतल जी अनम्यूट करिए अपने आप को. Unmute. Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
Hello, everybody. Now you can hear me.
Yeah.
Yes. A very good evening to everybody at Music Veranda. It's a pleasure to be here amongst all of you, and it's really nice, Anila. I can see you. Hello. Yeah. And so we go FB live today with Music Veranda.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
तो
So,
शीतल जी
Gaurav-
आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है म्यूजिक वरांदा में.
Thank you, Gaurav.
तो टाइम को ज्यादा वेस्ट नहीं करते. लेट्स मैं आपसे एक बड़ा ही क्यूरियस सा सवाल है ये मैं पूछना चाह रहा था. सबसे पहले तो
गौरव, कैन आई इंटरप्ट? एक म्यूजिकल
या श्योर अनिला जी बिल्कुल.
एक म्यूजिकल स्टार्ट होना चाहिए म्यूजिक वरांडा में शीतल जी के साथ.
श्योर व्हाई
Sure.
तो शीतल जी आप हमारी गेस्ट हैं तो प्लीज कुछ लाइनें गुनगुना दीजिए. हमारे व्यूअर्स आपको सुन रहे हैं.
Zarur. तो let me do this. That since it's Music Veranda and I'm here on this platform, और हिंदी में veranda को बरामदा कहा जाता है. I'm sure all of you know about it, right?
Exactly.
So since I'm here, let me say, बरामदे पुराने हैं, नई सी धूप है, जो पल के खटखटा रहा है, किसका रूप है. बरामदे पुराने हैं, नई सी धूप है, जो पल के खटखटा रहा है, किसका रूप है. शरारतें करे जो ऐसे भूल के हिजाब कैसे उसके नाम को मैं पुकार लूं, सवार लूं, सवार लूं, सवार लूं, है सवार लूं. हवा के झोंके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए, गुलों की शोखियां जो भंवरे आके लूट गए. बदल रही है आज जिंदगी की चाल जरा, इसी बहाने क्यों ना मैं भी दिल का हाल जरा. एक्चुअली बदल रही है आज जिंदगी की चाल जरा, इसी बहाने क्यों ना हम भी सबका हाल जरा सवार लें, सवार लें, सवार लें, हाय सवार लें.
Wow, lovely.
Thank you.
And
Thank you,
yes,
dear.
a very warm welcome to all, and very warm welcome to Sheetal ji, and good evening everyone, all our FB viewers. A beautiful evening with Sheetal ji is with us, and Sheetal ji से मैं बात कर रही थी free talk. I'm very thankful to Soma who introduced me to Sheetal ji. और इनसे बात करने के बाद मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा because she is also a person who believes in dreams like me. So I was very happy to meet you, and तो हम लोगों ने सोचा था कि आपकी जर्नी शेयर करेंगे, but then I recurated the whole thing and I actually wanted it to be, connected to dreams because you have so powerful dreams and you believe in dreams. And also a very interesting thing, you don't need any introduction. Your singing has given all the introduction, but still, थोड़ा सा introduction आपका ये है कि आपने जो हम लोग बहुत सारे वरांडा में लेडीज ज्वाइन की हैं जो बोलती थी हम शादी के पहले ये काम करते थे, शादी के पहले डांस करते थे, गाने गाते थे, and your journey actually started after marriage. So it is something which is we are actually looking forward to hear your journey. And moreover, पहले था कि Gaurav is the host of this evening, और Gaurav he also believes in dreams. He's an excellent, he's a magician when it comes to live singing, So I'm very happy that Gaurav is hosting your show. पहले मैं आपका show host कर रही थी, लेकिन when I realized कि नहीं, आप इतना dreams में believe करती हैं, so I thought another musician who believes in dreams should host your show.
Yeah.
So I have written something on dreams, on sapne. So I would please allow me to read that. Right?
Please, yes, it will
सपने
be very
बेवजह
nice.
नहीं आते. Sorry, yeah. सपने बेवजह नहीं आते, वो रातों की नींद ऐसे ही नहीं उड़ाते, वो बेचैनी यूं ही नहीं छोड़ जाते. सपने बेवजह नहीं आते. सपने क्लू होते हैं आपके ट्रू पर्पस का. जिसलिए आप जिंदगी वाली महफिल में आए हैं, वो आपको ये बताते हैं. वो एक पावरफुल लाइट हाउस की तरह होते हैं जो आपको राह दिखाते हैं, आपको कुछ कर गुजरने की एनर्जी दे जाते हैं. कभी ये सपने वादियों के होते हैं, कभी गाड़ियों के, कभी इश्क से बुने होते हैं, कभी डरावने भी होते हैं, लेकिन होते बहुत ही प्यारे हैं क्योंकि सपने बेवजह नहीं होते. So that is something my take on dreams, and I would request Gaurav to kindly host this show, and Sheetal ji, I have a small introduction for her which I want to read. Just a minute. Yeah, Sheetal Gupta ji is a versatile artist known for her powerful vocals and enthralling performances. Her songs as an independent artist has featured on 70 digital platforms, and she is a mother of a 19-year-old and her family being in Delhi. She has been shuttling between Delhi and Mumbai, balancing family and her singing career. Perhaps her army upbringing gives her this discipline. She loves experimenting with music, and hence today evening we are going to find a variety in her singing, in her persona, and in her shakhsiyat. So over to you, Gaurav. Thank you so much. Let us have a great magical evening. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you. That was really nice, Anila. It was a beautiful introduction. Let's have Gaurav to start
थैंक यू नीला जी, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. पहली बात तो क्योंकि मैं एक्चुअली मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं होस्ट कर रहा हूँ, और वो भी इतनी अच्छी सिंगर हमारे बीच में है, शीतल गुप्ता जी. मैंने बहुत कुछ सुना आपके बारे में, मैं पहली बार रूबरू हो रहा हूँ आपके साथ, बट मैंने आपके गाने सुने तो मुझे सच में दिल से लगा कि यार आपको होस्ट करके तो नो डाउट नेक्स्ट लेवल पे जाने वाला हूँ मैं, फॉर श्योर.
नहीं गौरव, इट्स अ प्लेजर.
इट्स माय प्लेजर एज वेल, एंड वेरांडा का बहुत बड़ा प्लेजर है. आप इतने दिल से, इतने मन से इतना टाइम निकाल के हमारे लिए आए, तो थैंक यू सो मच वन मोर टाइम. और चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. आपकी लाइफ जर्नी के बारे में मैं चाहता हूँ कुछ आप बताएं अपनी लाइफ जर्नी के बारे में.
So Gaurav, see, the fact that we are here today and I'm talking to you, is, the fact that one of my songs has recently released. It's a film song. It's called Kadde Oo Karke Kadde Aa Karke O Goli De De Gimmutyare Tannu Na Karke. That's the song, and which perhaps people in Bombay like this kind of tone of mine. So now, the fact that this song has released and it has infiltrated into the masses, people are loving this song. That is one big reason that I'm here talking to you today. But this is just a song which, a film song is a medium wherein all singers, since you are also a singer, you will agree that, infiltration to the masses of a film song is much faster. However much independent music we do, but that's the irony, but that is the truth.
Exactly.
And yeah, so my journey is, this is a very big thing which has happened in my life, but my journey is beyond these. I have always been a singer. I have always been singing. It's just that this is something we can talk about, isn't it? Till the time I was doing my independent music and I was singing all kind of songs, since it was not reaching masses, so nobody was really talking about it, so to say. But I'm the same singer. I'm the same singer who was doing that. I'm the same singer who has sung this song. And my going to Bombay also was because of this reason. कि इतना कुछ कर लिया, दिल्ली में रह के बहुत काम किया. And then if, you still have to have a identity thing. So that was which took me to Bombay. And I would say कि this journey is ongoing and it will keep going for artists. So one day is different from another, very well.
Exactly, no
Isn't
doubt.
it? Yeah. So that's what it is, dear. Shuttling between Mumbai, Delhi, I finally found my foothold, and wherever life will take me from here on.
great. So it's a inherited character, or you just so like from it's a inherited character from your ancestors or your fathers or
Well, Gaurav, see, my father played flute.
okay,
He
he's
used
a
to play
musician.
flute.
Okay,
He was not a musician, but I think inborn था उनमें भी. He used
correct.
to play flute, and in fact उनको All India Radio से बहुत time पहले offer भी आया था to play.
All
But
right.
then my father again, he belonged to a very different kind of mm, that time exposure was not that much. And आज भी है, मतलब I am talking about dog number of years back, but आज भी ऐसे है कि लोग बोलते हैं कि settle हो जाओ फिर गाने गा लेना. Isn't it? So
Exactly.
people say कि settle then you sing songs. So like that my father also, he joined the army, but I think music का जो वो है वो उनसे ही आया मुझे.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yeah.
Great. Great. So शीतल जी, आवाज तो आपकी बहुत मधुर है और आपके जवाब भी बहुत मधुर हैं, एकदम फ्लुएंटली आ रहे हैं।
जी.
तो पता लगता है कि सच्चाई है। आर्टिस्ट अलग दिखता है, जो सच्चा होता है आर्टिस्ट अलग ही दिखता है और आर्टिस्ट
And
सच्चाई होती है टोटली। आई
हाँ,
एग्री।
and I always believe in candid kind of conversations, Gaurav. It is
एग्जैक्टली
always nice, isn't it?
एग्जैक्टली
Hmm.
We are in
ओके
veranda, so ये candid ही होने चाहिए conversations.
Bilkul, I know. That's how. And people are here to listen to your story or to meet you. It should just
Yeah,
come across as it is.
exactly, and you
अच्छा,
are so authentic.
तो नेक्स्ट जवाब क्वेश्चन पे ओके।
जी, जी.
नेक्स्ट ये है कि आपको कब रियलाइज हुआ कि आपके सिंगिंग टैलेंट है, तो आपको ये रियलाइज हुआ कब आप इसको आगे लेके गए सिंगिंग को, कब आप पब्लिकली गए, इसके
देखिए
बारे में कुछ एलाबोरेट करिए आप।
सिंगिंग तो आई थिंक आई वाज सिंगिंग व्हेन आई वाज वेरी लिटिल यार. बचपन से ही जो आई वाज सिंगिंग फ्रॉम वेरी लिटिल व्हेन आई वाज इन स्कूल. And I remember this incident कि I was not well, I hadn't gone to school और पता चला annual function में they had already selected somebody to participate.
और
And when I got better and I went and I fought कि मुझे भी रखो annual function में. So I was like that kind of kid, keep me, I want to be a part. तो वहीं से. But then yes, I will say that professionally, if you ask me, then professionally perhaps I started only after my marriage, and that too 5 years after my marriage, because that was the time I had my baby girl, and I took a sabbatical. Till then I was working with my husband, so I took a sabbatical and I got back to my music. That's when the journey actually started.
ग्रेट 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 वेरी गुड नाइस। तो एक बात थी बीइंग एन आर्टिस्ट, आई एम आल्सो आर्टिस्ट। तो जो मुझे लगता है ये दिल से बात कि कहते हैं कि पहले सपने देखने चाहिए तब जाके वो पूरे होते हैं।
बिल्कुल, ये
कितना
बिल्कुल
रिलेट
सच है.
कितना सच है, कितना आपको रिलेट करते हैं इस बात से?
ये बिल्कुल मैं 100%, ये तो मेरी टैगलाइन ही है इस इस लाइव की टैगलाइन ही है. And I definitely relate to this. In fact, this tagline has also been used. I mean, we are using this tagline has been said by our president Abdul Kalam ji. उन्होंने कहा है ये कि सपने आप देखेंगे तभी तो आपको रियलाइज होगा कि आप what are you running after? What dreams are what you want to achieve. So unless you have visions, how will the visions come alive? First you have to have some visions ki, okay, this is what I want. That's when they will come alive. That's when you will know कि okay, तो मैं बिल्कुल I definitely relate to it. आप अगर सपने ही नहीं देखेंगे तो आपके अंदर वो और सपने ऐसे जो आपको सोने ना दें.
करेक्ट।
सपने वो जो आपको सोने ना दें. वो सपने देखें जो सोने दें तो फिर अगले दिन it's just a dream. बट सपने वो जो आपको सोने ना दें, ऐसे सपने देखिए and then you will achieve whatever you want to.
कुछ लाइनें हो जाए, कुछ 2 लाइनें
On what? देखिए मैं 2 लाइनें जो है वो सपनों के लिए तो नहीं. I
इफ
would
पॉसिबल।
like
It's
So
not
today,
mandatory thing, if possible, if possible.
नहीं बिल्कुल. Today is a great day that we are having this live session. You know why? Because आज प्यारे लाल जी का जन्मदिन है, लक्ष्मीकांत प्यारे लाल जी. तो प्यारे लाल जी का आज it's his birthday today, and so we are live and on Music Veranda. So I think it's a really good day कि उनको कुछ dedicate किया जाए.
Sure, sure,
Right?
sure. It's that.
So I will pick बहुत गाने उन्होंने बनाए एक से बढ़कर एक, but I will sing this one. कुछ पाकर खोना है, कुछ खोकर पाना है, जीवन का मतलब तो आना और जाना है, दो पल के जीवन से एक उम्र चुरानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Thumbs up.
Awesome. Beautiful.
Thank you.
गाना तो
And
मुझे बहुत
what an apt song, you know, it's such an apt song, and this is a timeless classic. You can relate to it today, you can relate to it 100 years after, 100 years before. What a lovely classic number.
no doubt. Alright, so शीतल जी एक बात मुझे पहले पूछनी चाहिए थी, लेकिन अब मेरे दिमाग में दोबारा से वो बात है. शुरू से मेरी बात ये चल रही है क्योंकि मैं एक
जी.
सिंगर हूँ, तो मैं ये चाह रहा हूँ कि एक सिंगर, ये गायकी के लिए फॉर सिंगिंग अ सिंगर शुड नीड अ एटीट्यूड और एक माइंड सेटअप होता है उसका. तो
बिल्कुल.
वो उसका मतलब किस टाइप का होना चाहिए, क्या होना चाहिए आपके अकॉर्डिंग?
गौरव, देखो वैसे टू ईच इज ओन, जैसे जैसा जिसको ठीक लगे. आई हैव
Person
हु
to
एम आई
person,
टू
depends
हाउ एम,
person.
हाँ, डिपेंड्स ऑन पर्सन टू पर्सन.
But for
मुझे,
in your point of view, what should be the attitude
yes,
needed to a
my
singer?
my point of view is that the first thing as an artist, as a singer, I should be open to learning, right? I should be open to learning. To If somebody is telling me something, I should be open to take criticism, right? I मैं एक ऐसे फील्ड में हूँ, हम एक ऐसे फील्ड में हैं गौरव, कि जरूरी नहीं है कि हम जो गा रहे हैं वो किसी को अच्छा लगे. It's an artistic field, to each his own. So I should be open to criticism. If I am open to criticism, I take it as a learning thing. अगर कोई मुझे बताता है कि नहीं ये आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो I can improve. I do not take it like this that, oh, he is criticizing or she is criticizing, let me not. I'd rather build up and try and see कि next time when they hear me, they say कि, oh, you worked on your skills and it's better. So first of all, that is one thing. Humbleness is another big thing. If you are humble, I think वो singer ही नहीं और artist ही नहीं, as a human being, I feel everybody, if you are humble, it goes a very long way. You have to have respect for people in your field. Not only respect for people who are better than you, respect for everybody, for everybody. So I think ये सब चीजें अगर आपकी अच्छी है ना, तो आप वैसे ही एक अच्छे आर्टिस्ट हैं. You're a good. I think I would focus on being more better human, and I'll automatically in the process become a good artist. So I think that is what it is.
Perfect answer, perfect. As expected answer from you. ये आंसर
Thank
मैं
you.
expect करता आपसे. तो एक कॉम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहूंगा आपको 2 लाइनों के साथ आपके लिए जस्ट.
जरूर प्लीज. यस.
अगर इजाजत है तो मैं कोशिश करूंगा आपके सामने गाने की.
अरे प्लीज. यस.
ओके फॉर यू. नाम गुम जाएगा, चेहरा ये बदल जाएगा, मेरी आवाज ही पहचान है, गर यार रहे हो नाम गुम जाएगा, चेहरा ये बदल जाएगा, मेरी आवाज ही पहचान है, गर यार रहे। ये आपके लिए।
लवली, वेरी गुड।
थैंक यू सो
ये तो
मच।
हर सिंगर के लिए है एक्चुअली। हमारी आवाज ही हमारी पहचान है
एग्जैक्टली
है ना?
तो एक क्वेश्चन है जो मैंने लिख रखा है स्पेशली, मैं
जी
भूल जाता हूँ अक्सर, मैं भी एक फ्लो में इजीली फ्लो में भूल जाता हूँ चीजें कई, जैसे ना मैं भी
नहीं नहीं
कैंडिडेट में बिलीव करता हूँ, लेकिन जब बहुत सारे लोग हो ना साथ में तो कैंडिडेट मुश्किल हो जाता है कई बार। गेटिंग और नॉट।
I totally get it. I totally get it.
So the next question is, what does future of music industry look like in this pandemic? As a performer, what is your expectations from government, musical lover and people in general?
सो गौरव, आई थिंक देखिए म्यूजिक का जो अभी देखिए अभी जैसे ह्यूमन बीइंग ऐसी स्पीशीज हैं जो और स्पेशली हिंदुस्तानी ह्यूमन जो है ना बहुत जुगाड़ करते हैं सो
Exactly.
ये जो ऑनलाइन हम कर रहे हैं, दिस इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ दैट
Well,
इवॉल्विंग एंड ट्राइंग टू डू समथिंग विद व्हाट यू हैव, एंड आई थिंक दिस इज अ वेरी गुड बेसिक इंस्टिंक्ट, हम सबका यही होता है. So I think we'll find a way out of doing things. कुछ online concerts हो रहे हैं. Obviously the payments are a little compromised, but that's okay. At least things are happening. And थोड़ी देखिए अभी कुछ कुछ टाइम तक तो फ्यूचर थोड़ा ब्लीक ही है, because I believe that musicians all over, if I'm talking about, there are also some musicians who don't come from a very sound background. It's very difficult for them to sustain this period because because if you really see, most of the musicians are all artists, actors. I'm talking about people in the entertainment field. They're all, most of them are freelancers, right?
exactly.
And the government does not have any particular thing for freelancers. जो हम लोगों ने एक हमने रिक्वेस्ट भी किया था कि प्लीज कम अप विथ समथिंग फॉर freelancers. उनके लिए भी एक कुछ there has to be something for them, कि अगर वो नहीं काम कर रहे हैं then what do they do, where do they they have to survive, खर्चे तो सबके हैं, so how will they manage? So we had reached the government with that, the art and culture minister for that, ministry for that. So I really hope कुछ करें उसके बारे में, because people are going through a very tough time.
Exactly.
फ्यूचर जब तक सब कुछ ठीक होएगा, वी रियली होप like shootings have started here in Mumbai. Shootings शुरू हो गई हैं, थोड़े smaller crew, but they've started. So ultimately, eventually, everything will be fine. But this is a tough phase, and I think till the government is doing something, we all should help each other and pull us through these tough phases. हाथ पकड़ के खींचें एक दूसरे को, ह्यूमैनिटेरियन ग्राउंड. तब तक ये करें जो कि मैंने देखा भी है इस लॉकडाउन में. आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल कम आउट एंड हेल्प. इट्स रियली नाइस टू सी दैट. या
मतलब ये है कि एक तो हेल्प करनी चाहिए, और बाकी कहते हैं देर है अंधेर नहीं है, आएगा टाइम.
जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
नहीं
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
शीतल जी, आई वुड लाइक टू कंग्रेचुलेट यू, जो आपका आपका काफी सिंगर्स के साथ, काफी परफॉर्मर्स के साथ आप लोगों ने एक इनिशिएटिव किया था क्वारंटाइन में
जी
टू सल्यूट द वॉरियर्स
यस
कोरोना. दैट्स
यस.
वंडरफुल. कैन you tell us something about that, please?
Yes, Anila, that was, it is one of a non-commercial project that we had done, and it came through Shoot It Sight Motion Pictures. So I'm also, by the way, the creative head for Shoot It Sight Motion Pictures. So being a singer, of course, I'm primarily a singer, but then in Bombay, I'm also associated with Shoot It Sight. तो इनके जो डायरेक्टर हैं मिस्टर राजेश रॉय, ही केम अप विद दिस थिंग कि वी मस्ट डू समथिंग, एंड एज आर्टिस्ट तो हम फिर सबको ही अप्रोच्ड एवरीबडी, एंड all the people that you see on that video, the people who feature, they just came on his goodwill. And Rahul Seth ने लिखा है वो गाना, एंड उसके लिए भी एक हमने FB लाइव किया था विद दिल्ली इवेंट्स. इट वेंट ऑफ वेरी वेल, वेरी यू वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट बिहाइंड द सीन्स कि क्या होता है व्हेन वी आर मेकिंग द सॉन्ग एंड हाउ इट केम इनटू बीइंग. So it was very interesting. All the artists came on board just on one phone call, and it will now be playing on Doordarshan also. Doordarshan has taken up that song of ours, and that intention behind thing was so pure, and we really wanted कि हम इस टाइम पे फ्रंटलाइनर्स जो हैं हमारे, उनको पेप अप किया जाए, उनको मोटिवेट किया जाए. देखिए केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं, राइट, एंड वी रियली वांटेड कि इस गाने से लोग प्रभावित हों, इस गाने से लोग ये सोचें कि एटलीस्ट अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले लें. हमें लगा कि ये गाने उन लोगों को पेप अप करें और ये सोचें कि दे आर facing such hard times. Do you know if COVID say how many doctors, how many policemen, how many safai karmcharis, how many people have succumbed to corona, to COVID? उनके लिए क्या? No tricolor. उनकी कोई they have died in the line of duty. But उनके लिए कोई ट्राइकलर पे नहीं जाया जाएगा, या उनके लिए कुछ क्या होगा, उनके लिए कोई मूवीज नहीं बनेंगी, उनके लिए कुछ नहीं होगा उनका. So my heart goes out to them, and I really want all of us to be responsible. Please wear a mask. If you go out, if I go out, बहुत कम ही निकलना हो रहा है, पर जब भी होता है तो I see people roaming around without masks. They are not maintaining social distance. आप छोटी सी एक चीज कर रहे हैं, आप एसिम्प्टोमेटिक हो सकते हैं, बट जरूरी नहीं है आपके आसपास जो लोग हों वो एसिम्प्टोमेटिक हो, या their immunity may be low. So please take responsibility. It's high time. Please take responsibility. India has never seen such huge numbers till date. तो ये गाना इसीलिए हमने बनाया था. And if you allow, I would like to sing 2 lines of this.
Yeah, definitely. It's so heart touching. I've been seeing it times. Thank you.
आप जरूर देखिएगा ये. This is on YouTube, and Honda has been kind enough to join us to promote the song, and our thanks to them. And this song is like ख्वाहिशें दिल में है कई, मंजिल रह जाएंगी राहें नहीं, उन रास्तों पे हमको है चलना, सीखा है जिसने गिर के संभलना, हम है वही जीत कर दिखाना है, 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 जीत कर दिखाना है हमको अभी. So that's a very little excerpt of the song. Yeah, it is again one of those timeless numbers. वही बात है कि दिल से जब कोई चीज बनती है ना, तो it is one of the timeless numbers you must hear. It's a song which is not only pandemic relevant, but I think forever. It's a song which will motivate and help you, inspire you whenever anybody is feeling down and low or depressed. So it's a very good creation. Yes.
Wonderful, wonderful, beautiful. Yes, Gaurav.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's so शीतल जी, कोई मैसेज है आप वेरांडा के लिए? कोई भी मैसेज?
देखिए म्यूजिक वेरांडा जितना भी मैंने कुछ देखा है गौरव, अबाउट, बिकॉज आई वाज जस्ट गोइंग थ्रू, Soma had sent me the link, I was going through the thing, and when I was in Delhi, I was associated with a group called Swarpan. Okay, so I find music veranda so much like that, like-minded people coming together and forming a group, right? That was what Swarpan was all about. I'm still in touch with my Swarpanites, and they've grown from strength to strength. And I really wish कि आप लोग भी you grow from strength to strength. I saw one of your interviews with Brahmanand ji, and I've met him in Bombay. So it was really nice to come across whatever you have done in Music Veranda. It's a platform that a lot of music enthusiasts can come and join. And another very good message I don't know, good or bad, whatever. But what I want to give people through Music Veranda is that age is just a number. आपको अगर कुछ करना है, or if you really want to do something, come out of your comfort zones. Come out of your comfort zones, take the first step, and you will go towards where you are meant to be.
Lovely.
Don't या तो आप regret मत करिए, या तो live your life without any regrets. If you have a regret that I wish I had done that, I couldn't do, then you're only finding excuses, my dear. I'm sorry, but I'm blatantly honest. You're only finding excuses. Get out of your comfort zone, take your first step, and you'll reach wherever you want to.
Correct.
Wow, that's wonderful, wonderful. I'm sure, Gaurav, this is going to help you, and this is going to actually help a lot of performers. So that's a wonderful
Yes.
message to be carried forward by so many of us. And Sheetalji, yes, though we have a great message, but I would like to know something more about your musical journey. How did you go to Mumbai, and what were the challenges? How did you overcome it? Because a lot of people say ki bhai, it is difficult to go there, and you have actually been there and you have seen life closely, So can you just
Yeah.
tell us?
So, Anila, I have been talking about this in all my interviews, and really, I really don't want people to say that this is the only thing she harps about. But then, yes, since Music Veranda is a new platform and your audience may be new, so they would perhaps maybe want to hear it, hear my journey. And if it can be of any help to anybody, yes. So I'll tell you, I went to Mumbai at the age of when I turned 40. So I kind of, thought to myself, and I had a lovely party that day. It was a surprise party my husband had thrown for me. And, I'm another talent I have is if I was not a singer, I would have been a dancer. So I love dancing. so, I had been going pubbing, and we had come home, and I was feeling a little, I don't know why, but I felt a little, tugged at the heart. And so I told my husband, I said, look, all my prime has gone in raising my child and making my house and everything. Now everything is set. So my child was already 14, 15 that time. And she had a sound upbringing I had given her. And I had, because I always had this in mind that I'm going to be working. So I had made her independent from a very young age. And so by the time she was 14, 15, she also knew cooking, by the way. The basic, I had, taught her everything. And so she was quite a supportive kid that way. She had seen me working from day one. And that's when I said that, okay, high time. I think I should really take the next step, and I should, go to Bombay, because I had done enough work in Delhi. And like I was talking to somebody else the other day, I was saying, इतना काम करके शीतल गुप्ता हूँ. So it used to be like, really? I mean, so that's what I was telling Gaurav, that film के through गाना आने का मतलब है कि आपको लोग पहचानते हैं. Sad है, irony है, but then this is the truth. This is the sad truth that only when your films come through, your songs come through films, and people kind of talk about it. Singers तो बहुत सारे हैं, but that's not the only medium. I really believe that's not the only, and times are changing. दोबारा से indie music and that kind of independent music will come in. So my husband said कि अगर as a man I am allowed to take whatever decision when it comes to my work, and so you are also as much an individual. Yes, really. In a society like ours, he really is should be applauded. But then, yes, and so we called our irrespective parents, and we told them. Here I will mention, I'm sorry, but we did not ask them. We told them that she is going to Mumbai now, and how are you going to pitch in? As luck would have it, I have the best in-laws, people who support me from, and for all you know, अभी शायद live मेरे father-in-law देख भी रहे होंगे, because he never misses any of my interviews. He's my biggest fan, my father-in-law, my mother-in-law, my huge support. So जब आप वही बात है Anila, when you try and when you are focused and you know what you want to do, I think the entire, जिसे बोलते हैं ना, एक शाहरुख खान का डायलॉग था कि कायनात उसको सर्च करने में लग जाती है. Isn't it? Truly, because to find in-laws like that, you know, who would, because I married my husband not as a singer. When I got married at a young age, and that time I started working with him. So this going to Bombay and doing singing was never in the cards, was never on the cards. So I took it up later, and everybody supported my child. You know, she is good in studies. She's been a house captain. She's been a badge holder. In spite of me traveling 15 days here and 15 days there, and my friends were like, you know, what have you taught your child? So, but everything fell in place. Yeah, I was lucky. I really think the universe was conspiring, and I was really, really lucky. I really think कि circumstances बहुत मैटर करते हैं नीला. If you want to do something, देखिए मेहनत तो करनी पड़ती है, हिम्मत भी करनी पड़ती है, बट circumstances जो है ना, इकोसिस्टम जो आपका है, वो उसके लिए, you know, you have to only thank God. I have to only thank God. जो, you know, जो हम लोग usually we don't even talk about it. We say कि मैंने किया. अरे नहीं, अगर ये सब कुछ नहीं होता तो कैसे करता मैं? How would I do? Isn't it? So I really, from the house help that I have, I really have great respect and regard for her also. Because when I'm not around, she's the one who's running the show. I'm only on the phone directing and, you know, administrating from there. So she's running the house. So I have great respect and regard for her also. So ये सब, I think everything in totality, I got it. Everything fell in place. I did well. When I went to Bombay, I had just one contact, the same Mr. Roy who has made Jeet Kar Dikhana Hai. I went with just one contact, and today I know half the Bombay through him. They are he and his family are my guardian angels there in Mumbai. And I've made some lovely friends in Mumbai. I have worked with lovely music directors, and I will tell you the talent that we have in Mumbai.
Yeah.
If Gaurav is into singing and he wants to really see another aspect of talent, he should go to Mumbai. I've been telling everybody, एक बार, if you are in that field, आप जरूर जाइए. आप, you know, you will kind of exactly know कि what is your place, where do you fall, and you will strive to work harder. You will strive to do even better, and you will polish yourself. हाँ, बैठ के तो ऐसा होता है, sorry to say, but when I was singing here, मुझे लगता था अंधों में काना राजा होता है ना. Oh, I'm singing very nice. When I went there, I was like, oh. So many. My God, matlab, you have to believe the kind of talent we have in Mumbai. This place is full of ek se badkar ek. And then you have to pull your strings up. You have to polish yourself to fit in, to be there and work there amongst them, to be heard, to be a voice among so many. It's not easy. It's not impossible, but it's not easy. It is a tough ask. It's definitely a tough ask.
Wow. Sheetal, this
Yes.
is one of the most inspiring stories that we have ever heard and we have ever witnessed at Music Veranda. You know? And we can actually relate to it. और आप इतने positive हो, you have been able to convert all challenges into your blessings, you know. And I think it is your conviction and it is your power that has made it happen. So it is all
Yes.
about conviction on your dreams, and we are very happy that we have you. And हमको बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत मजा आ रहा है. शीतल,
Thank you, dear.
I have one more question. What makes it happen? Is it good voice, right attitude, good contacts, social networking, innovation, lyrics? What is actually behind it?
Okay, so you know what, Anila? Let me say, come again. What are the things that you asked me?
Yeah, it's just you know,
No,
random.
but I'll tell you in the sequence. I'll tell you in sequence. So
Yeah.
you need to have good voice
Okay.
first.
Yeah.
Okay. Then come again. What all other things you mentioned?
Right attitude, then good contacts, then social networking, innovation, lyrics, good music.
Okay. So let me
Yeah.
say, you need to have good voice, right?
Yeah.
First. Then you need to have good contacts. Good contacts also include good music directors, good lyricists. Good contacts does not mean contact. Good contacts also means the team you are working with. You need to have a good lyricist with you. You need to be working with good music directors, people who understand, who are of your wavelength, who understand what you are trying to do. Because there may be somebody who is brilliant, but he does not understand what I want, or I do not understand what he wants. I cannot deliver, or we don't just gel, or maybe the attitudes don't mix. So I will not count that as my good contact, whoever he or she may be. My good contact is somebody who is giving me positivity, or somebody who with I when we collaborate or when we work together, we kind of come up with something exclusive. That is my good contact, right? So you need to have good contact. You need to have like you said, uh, what was the lyricists and music directors also come in that. Then of course comes the part of social networking. It is important, but I think it is, when you've done good work, then you must talk about it. Because in today's age, people need to know कि आपने क्या किया है. It is, some people are really not into social networking, and they just keep doing their own stuff, which is fine, to each his own. But I feel कि अगर आपने कुछ अच्छा किया है और लोगों तक पहुंचाए आप, तो I think it is very good. Then social networking comes on. Today, if I'm in on a music veranda and I'm talking to you, I'm reaching out to so many other people because of you guys. And so this is a part of social networking that I'm doing, and I'm very happy to be a part of this journey with you all. So it is important, yes, definitely. Right attitude has to be there. Or wo only singing nahi, for anything in life, I think generally, for anything, right attitude has to be there. Attitude as in, I will say a line on this. Attitude as in that like, I believe I'm a masterpiece. I'm only one in this entire world, but I'm also a work in progress, right? So you can, both the things could be in together. You could be a masterpiece but a work in progress, right? So आप ये समझिए कि आप यूनिक हैं, और आप उस यूनिकनेस को और पॉलिश करिए और बेटर बनिए, till set your own limits. Sky is the limit. Set your own limits. You can just go fly as high as you can.
So Gaurav, I'm sure हमको बहुत इंस्पिरेशन मिल रहा है आज, बहुत. What do you say about it? Yes, very inspiring. और एक गाना शीतल जी के लिए हम लोग को we'll have to dedicate a good song, Gaurav.
ये गाना बहुत कम हो जाएगा, बहुत कम है, नहीं तो मैं तो बहुत सारे गाने गाने चाहेंगे.
नहीं गाइए प्लीज.
ओके, श्योर. सपनों से एक गाना है, सपना जहां, सोनू निगम का गाया हुआ गाना.
Lovely song it is, yeah.
सपना जहां दस्तक ना दे, चौखट थी वो आँखें मेरी, बातों से थी तादाद में, खामोशियाँ ज्यादा मेरी, जब से पड़े तेरे कदम, चलने लगी दुनिया मेरी, मेरे दिल में जगह खुदा की खाली थी, देखा वहाँ पे आज तेरा चेहरा है, मैं भटकता हुआ सा एक बादल हूँ, जो तेरे आसमां पे आके ठहरा है. ओ
Lovely, very nice, Gaurav. Very good. Lovely. You've got a great
Thank you.
You
आपने very nice बोल दिया.
no, you've got
Means
you
nice
got a
song
really
भाई.
nice timbre. It's very nice, beautiful. Work on it,
Thank
work
you.
on it. Keep
Thank you.
singing. Yeah, it's really nice.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks. Thank you.
Sheetalji, we have one more performer from Bangalore, Manya. She has also prepared something on,
Oh,
Sapna.
lovely, lovely. Yes, yes.
Good
Let's
evening,
hear her.
everyone. Hello, Sheetal ma'am. I'm Manya again from
Hello.
Bangalore. It's
Hello,
wonderful
how
to
are
be
you?
here.
How's the weather in Bangalore?
It's very rain. It's raining heavily.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to sing a song for you, Sapne Re from the movie Secret Superstar. Hope you like
Oh,
it.
great. Yes, yes.
चोरी से चुप चुप के मैंने चोरी से चुप चुप के तिनका चुन के सपना एक बनाया डोरी से बुन बुन के मैंने डोरी से बुन बुन के टुकड़ा टुकड़ा सी के सपना एक बनाया टुकड़ा टुकड़ा सी के सपना एक बनाया सपने रे सपने मेरे सच हो जाना रे हो जाना रे हो जाना रे सपने रे सपने मेरे सच हो जाना रे हो जाना रे हो जाना रे चोरी से चुप चुप के मैंने चोरी से चुप चुप के तिनका तिनका चुन के सपना एक बनाया डोरी से बुन बुन के मैंने डोरी से बुन बुन के टुकड़ा टुकड़ा सी के सपना एक बनाया सपने रे सपने मेरे सच हो जाना रे हो जाना रे हो जाना रे सपने मेरे सच हो जाना रे हो जाना रे हो जाना रे
Lovely. सपने सच होंगे आपके जरूर. Keep smiling.
Thank you
You've
so
got a
much.
beautiful smile, Manya.
Thank you so
Keep
much.
singing. Yes. Very
Yeah.
nice. Very nice.
Thank you.
Sheetalji, I have one more thing. Like
Ji.
music heals. They say music heals, and music is actually going to help a lot of people in pandemic. So, do you think how music can reach to more and more people, and how we can make it happen? Because I believe music is so powerful कि हर क्लासरूम में होना चाहिए, हर जो ऑनलाइन मीटिंग्स हो रही हैं उसमें भी म्यूजिक होना चाहिए, फैमिली मीटिंग्स में होना चाहिए. So, do you
होता
agree
ही
with
है.
me?
Yeah, Anila, I totally agree with you. And आप अगर देखो any meeting, I have been attending so many Rotary meetings, and I've been attending so many other live Zoom calls and everything. Music has been an integral part of all meetings. कहीं पे, we are starting with Ganesh Vandana, we are starting with something. So, and otherwise also अगर आप देखो in pandemic, people have been home, लोग घर में हैं. If not for creative arts, if not for music, if not for television, Netflix के shows, या आप देखिए कितना importance है इनका. Whatever you may say or you may agree or people may disagree, but then in your entire day you are either reading a book or you're listening to music or you're watching something. So this is all people from creative arts, people who are like people like us, our fraternity, who's working and bringing forth something. You may call it foolishness, comedy, kuch bhi, but there are all kind of artists, and it is a very very integral part of our society. And to give us that कुछ लम्हे फुर्सत के मिल जाएं, और आप if you're just listening to a song, or if you're just watching some comedy thriller, or you're laughing, or you're reading poetry. So it is something which your soul needs, these kind of things, these creative things, right? So it is definitely, I totally agree. और music तो आप देखिए as a therapy भी use होता है. It is a prescribed thing. Music as a therapy, doctors prescribe music healing, music therapy to patients. people who are anxious and people who have anxiety and all that. So meditation music hota hai, dekho aap, you know, exercise when you're gymming. So not that you cannot gym without go to gym or do exercise without music, but then you will have a tempo, beat, something, you know, it peps you up, isn't it? People go for walks, you'll hear they have these earphones when they while they're walking, they're listening to their favorite stuff. So music to हमारे it रग रग में है. It's there. Our heartbeat is music. और क्या बोलेंगे? You know, all of us have a tempo in our life, isn't it?
Yes, Gaurav, do you have some question as a performer? आपको कुछ पूछना है शीतल जी से? Sorry for interrupting, but I had few things in my mind which I had to ask.
Exactly. बेसिकली शीतल जी ने इस 1 घंटे में मुझे म्यूजिक का ए से लेके जेड तक का बता दिया. इतना फ्लुएंटली आंसर दिए इन्होंने क्वेश्चंस के, तो मुझे लगता नहीं कोई चीजें बाकी रह गई हैं. बाकी बहुत सारी चीजें, म्यूजिक तो एक अनंत चीज है. आप जितना सीखोगे उतना आता रहेगा, जितना सीखोगे उतना आता रहेगा, जितना सीखोगे उतना और चीजें नई नई आएगी. इट्स लाइक अ ओशन, यू नो, एंड वी आर जस्ट स्मॉल फिश. सो ये तो अनंत चीज है. तो शीतल जी के साथ कभी वैसे मेरे को बात करनी पड़ेगी, उनसे अपॉइंटमेंट लेके. तो
एनी टाइम.
हाँ श्योर. तो बाकी तो मैं काफी चीजें जो एजेंडा है आगे का, एजेंडा अनिला जी बोलती है एजेंडा, तो एजेंडा जो है वो मुझे अब एक मुंबई का बनाना पड़ेगा फॉर श्योर.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
I'm charged and I'm motivated. I'm feeling motivated. So thank you so much, Sheetal Gupta ji. Thank you so much for being on.
Thank you, dear Gaurav. And if you know, if this conversation of ours has been able to motivate you, I am really happy कि चलो at least I'm really happy कि एक बंदा motivate हुआ है. Very good. So that's it's worth it. Then this conversation is worth it.
Sheetal, we have one girl in our veranda, Prerna. You know, so she has a kid 2 years old, and like when I was telling about your story, she was very inspired. So she just wants to, you know, say hi to you and probably dedicate a song to you. Prerna, over to you. Can you hear us? Hello, Prerna. I think she's not connected. एक हमारे मधु मुकेश जी भी हैं जो इंदौर से जुड़े हुए हैं और मुकेश जी का गाना गाते हैं. मुकेश जी का गाना बहुत अच्छे से निभाते हैं और भी गाने गाते हैं. He also wanted to say hello to you. So Madhu Mukesh ji,
please, yes. मुकेश जी का गाना गाते हैं. वाह. That's really nice.
Hello शीतल मैम, good evening.
Good evening मुकेश जी. आप तो बिल्कुल सेट है माइक के साथ.
हाँ, मेरा पूरा स्टूडियो, ये मिनी स्टूडियो एक्चुअली.
Very good, very good.
आपको मैं एक बहुत अच्छा मुकेश जी का फिल्म जानते रहोगा कि सुना रहा हूँ.
जी जरूर.
जिंदगी ख्वाब है, ख्वाब में झूठ क्या और भला सच है क्या. जिंदगी ख्वाब है, ख्वाब में झूठ क्या और भला सच है क्या. सब सच है. जिंदगी ख्वाब है. दिल ने हमसे जो कहा हमने वैसा ही किया. दिल ने हमसे जो कहा हमने वैसा ही किया. फिर कभी फुर्सत से सोचेंगे बुरा था या भला. जिंदगी ख्वाब है, ख्वाब में झूठ क्या और भला सच है क्या. सब सच है. जिंदगी ख्वाब है. Thank you so much.
Lovely. Very, very nice, Mukesh ji.
So, Zindagi Khwaab
Very
Hai.
good, very good.
What is your take on that, Sheetal ji?
वेरी नाइस। देखिए गाने इतने अच्छे हैं और मुकेश जी की आवाज, आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा कि मुकेश जी की आवाज बिल्कुल मुकेश जी जैसी ही है। यू नो इट्स एंड आई यूज्ड टू रियली लव मुकेश, ऑल मुकेश जी सॉन्ग्स बिकॉज ही हैड अ वेरी, यू नो, ही हैड स्लाइट नेसल, एक उनका अलग से आइडेंटिफाई कर पाते थे मुकेश जी की वॉइस।
एक्चुअली शीतल में वो नेचुरल है, मेरे में मैं बनावटी नहीं होता हूँ। चलिए
जी, आपके तो बोलने से ही पता लग रहा है कि योर टोन इज लाइक दैट, यू नो, इट इज बिकॉज बना के अगर गाएंगे तो वो अलग से पता चलता है,
या
राइट?
एग्जैक्टली।
So it is, yeah, but very nice, बहुत अच्छा है, very good.
Thank you so much. You are so encouraging, Sheetal. बहुत आप encourage
नहीं,
motivate कर रही हो, you are touching people, you know, that's so beautiful. Thank you
नहीं,
so much. आपने वेरांडा को गुलजार कर दिया है, रोशन कर दिया है आने से. So thank you so much. Keep coming to Veranda. That's my request to you, you know.
yes,
And
I will,
Prerna is
okay,
logged in, you know. Prerna,
okay,
hi.
okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Mute yourself, Prerna. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could
Am
hear
I
her.
audible, ma'am?
Hello प्रेरणा।
Hello, ma'am. Hello,
You
शीतल
are.
मैम, कैसे हैं आप?
बिल्कुल बढ़िया,
Hello,
how are
everyone.
you?
गुरुजी को प्रणाम. Yes, I'm definitely fine.
हाँ जी,
Yeah, आप बताएं मैम कैसे हैं? बहुत
बिल्कुल
देर
बढ़िया।
से
I
आपको
hear
मैं
you have a, I hear you have a 2-year-old daughter.
yes. No, son, not a daughter.
Son, you have a, okay, you have a 2-year-old son. Very
Yeah.
good.
I'm totally inspired to you, ma'am. Just because Anila ma'am told me that after marriage you started, है ना? I think so.
जी, बिल्कुल,
Your
बिल्कुल।
music life.
Yes. After
तो
marriage, in fact, after my daughter, as in,
okay, after
see,
child also.
जी, I am a graduate with vocal music. Music किया है मैंने, लेकिन
Wonderful.
professionally, I have started only after, uh,
After a kid, after
you know, my
marriage.
child. तो
Yeah,
अब आपका
definitely,
भी
ma'am.
टाइम आ गया है, अब 2 साल का बेटा हो गया है, तो सुनाइए क्या सुनाएंगे?
हम लोग भी यही. I was telling her the same thing. I said,
Yeah.
नहीं डेफिनेटली मैम, और मैरिड लाइफ में इस तरीके से इन्वॉल्व हो करके और स्टार्ट करना, ये बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है। तो मैं एक बार बहुत बड़ा प्यारा सा दिल से हर्ट करते हुए आपको ये बहुत ही
Thank
प्यारा
you
सा
so
भेज रही हूँ
much.
क्लैपिंग। और मैं
Thank you so
आपके
much.
लिए बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा एक सॉन्ग लेना चाहूंगी। तो
जी,
थोड़ा सा म्यूजिक के साथ में है वो।
जरूर।
जी, ओके, हियर वी गो। जो भी चाहूं वो मैं पाऊं, जिंदगी में जीते जाऊं, चांद तारे तोड़ लाऊं, सारी दुनिया पर मैं छाऊं, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है। ओ चांद तारे तोड़ लाऊं, सारी दुनिया पर मैं छाऊं, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है। यार तो सुन जरा आरज़ू मेरी क्या, मैं क्या बन जाना चाहती हूँ, मैं कहाँ खराब हूँ, मैं तो लाजवाब हूँ, मैं ये मनवाना चाहती हूँ, मान जाए खुदा इतनी सी है दुआ, मैं बन जाऊं सबसे बड़ी, मैं बन जाऊं so much.
Lovely, lovely, very
Thank
very
you.
nice. इतना सा
आपसे
ख्वाब, बड़ा ख्वाब देखें आप और आगे आगे बढ़ें बिल्कुल. You have a lovely tone.
बिल्कुल
Very
आपके
nice.
आपके ब्लेसेस मेरे साथ रहेंगी तो डेफिनेटली मैं कवर करूंगी इस चीज को। और आपसे
जरूर
मुझे
प्रेरणा.
एक चीज सीखने को मिली है शीतल मैम कि लाइफ में बिल्कुल आगे बढ़ते जाना है, म्यूजिक से इतना प्यार करना है कि म्यूजिक आपके अंदर समा जाए और
जी
कभी भी किसी भी परेशानी से घबराना नहीं है, ना तो सोसाइटी
बिल्कुल
से, ना परिवार से और ना अपने आप से, बस बढ़ते जाना है। और थैंक यू सो मच।
बिल्कुल.
और आप मेरी एक बहुत प्यारी सी आइडियल भी बन गई हैं आज, डेफिनेट है क्योंकि
How
फर्स्ट टाइम
sweet.
आपसे मीटिंग है और बहुत
Yes.
अच्छा लग रहा है। आपसे बहुत कुछ
हम्म.
सीखने को मिला। मैं एफबी पे थी इतनी देर, सॉरी मैं कनेक्ट नहीं हो पाई यहाँ ज़ूम पे, बट
हाँ हाँ.
अभी मुझे जितना भी मैंने आपके बारे में सुना, आपसे सुना, वो बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पायर कर रहा है। प्रेरणा को
Thank
इंस्पिरेशन मिली।
you.
थैंक यू सो
Thank you
मच,
so
लव
much,
यू।
Prerna. It was really nice connecting with you here.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Sheetalji, you have been able to make differences and you've touched actually. So and
Yeah.
now one song from the guest and the host. That's important. Yes.
So is the host singing or the host wants me to sing first?
Yes, yes, exactly. Shikhar.
One from the guest and one from the host. So
Sheetal ji.
first from the guest, then from the host. Yes.
Okay, so what I'll do, Anila, since you know I have been singing some kuch thode bode. Here, what I'll do is ki I would like to sing something which I'm known for, as in because people love that kind of voice of mine. In Mumbai especially, people like to hear that kind of tone. और अगर एज एन आर्टिस्ट देखा जाए तो मेरा एक सोल है जो अलग टाइप के गाने गाता है. राइट. जैसे you know my soul takes me to a certain kind of song. So if you allow, there मैं छोटा छोटा दो different kind of I
Oh,
would
that's
like to
wonderful.
uh, do that.
बिल्कुल.
है ना? So
Go for it, go for it.
the tone that Mumbai people love. Hmm. Oh, oh, ओ लाल मेरी पत रखियो बला झूले लालन. ओ लाल मेरी ही पत, ओ लाल मेरी पत रखियो बला झूले लालन. सिंदड़ी दा सेवण दा सकी शहबाज कलंदर. दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर. दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दम दम दे अंदर. ओ लाल मेरी, ओ लाल मेरी, चार चराग तेरे बरन हमेशा. चार चराग तेरे बरन हमेशा. पंजवा में बारन आइया बला झूले लालन. ओ पंजवा में बारन आइया बला झूले लालन. सिंधड़ी दा सेवण दा सकी शहबाज कलंदर. दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर. दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दम दम दे अंदर. ओ लाल मेरी, ओ लाल मेरी. So this is the kind of
क्या
tone
बात है.
which
Awesome.
thank you, thank you. This is the kind of tone which people love in Mumbai. And so this is one kind of tone, and my soul takes me to another kind of. तो जिसकी वजह से I do a lot of originals, I do a lot of independent music, and you can find that on YouTube. उनमें से एक song है which is very close to my heart. It has been penned by Snigdha Pandey. She's an artist. She's an actor. You must have seen her in a lot of serials and stuff. Brilliant actor. तो उन्होंने लिखा था, and she had only originally composed it, and I did the polishing, and I did the she asked me, Sheetal, would you like to bring it forth? So I said okay, and I was singing. In fact, she also acted in it. It's called A Day in the Monsoon, wherein we figure out a day in tripart series of a day of a woman in the household when she is, and when it is monsoon outside. तो उसका एक last of the tripart series है ये song. This is somehow, I don't know, it's kind of just I love it. So this is an original of ours. आए पिया रंग रेज रे मोरे, आए पिया रंग रे, आए पिया रंग रेज रे मोरे, आए पिया रंग रेज, मोरा मन रंगा जाए लबरेज रे, आए पिया रंग रेज रे मोरे, आए पिया रंग रे, नाचूं पहन के मैं तो बूंदों की पायलिया, नेह बरसाए जो ये पगली बदलिया, भूल गई सारे परहेज रे, मैं तो भूल गई सारे परहेज, ओ आए पिया रंग रेज रे मोरे, आए पिया रंग रे.
Lovely.
Thank you. So these are two different kind of songs that I thought I should be presenting here with all of you.
I read, मैंने पढ़ा था versatility actually आपकी आवाज में और आपकी persona में बहुत versatility है.
Thank you, Anila.
Wonderful. So, and now a song from the host.
Yeah, come on.
Yes, host. Let's hear.
I'll try. वैसे अनिला जी अच्छा होस्ट तो मैं बन नहीं सकता, अच्छा जैसा होस्ट नहीं बन सकता, but I tried my level.
नहीं, आप बहुत अच्छे होस्ट हैं गौरव. You've been very kind to the guest.
Yeah. If the guest has liked you, that means you are a good host.
Yes, and a very entertaining host at that. You know, you are a very entertaining host also. गाने वाने भी सुनाए आपने.
People will remember you. So you are a good host, you know.
Yeah.
Maybe.
कोई गाना हो जाए आपसे.
हाँ, तो कैंडिड वाला करते हैं, फिर से हम लोग कैंडिड वाला ही गाना कर देते हैं. कुछ और
जरूर.
यशुदास जी मेरे को बहुत पसंद है, उनके कुछ गाने हैं जो मैं बहुत सुनता हूँ.
मुझे भी बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं.
कुछ लाइन में आपको सुनाता हूँ. 1% ट्राई करूंगा उनका. 100% ट्राई. सच्चा कोई सपना दे जा, मुझको कोई अपना दे जा, इतना कर दे कि मेरी झोली भर दे, हल्का फुल्का शबनमी, रेशम से भी रेशमी, सुरमई अखियों में नन्हा मुन्ना एक सपना दे जा रे, सुरमई अखियों में नन्हा मुन्ना एक सपना दे जा रे, निंदिया की उड़ती पाखी रे, अखियों में आजा साथी रे, रारी रारूं पुरारी रूं, रारी रारूं पुरारी रूं. Thank you. मुझे बहुत
Beautiful, very nice. I also love this song. Very nice. यशुदास जी का अपना एक अलग ही ऑनर है उनका एक.
Exactly. वो टच करना बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है.
और बेस्ट पार्ट है थीम सपना है, उससे आपने रिलेट किया. So that's so nice of you to sing this song.
Yeah, beautiful. Very nice.
शीतल जी, I would like you to मैं इंट्रोड्यूस कराती हूँ. हमारे गुरुजी हैं जयेश गुरुजी, जो कि वेरांडा में बहुत मतलब हम लोग का एक स्तंभ है, हम लोग को बहुत हेल्प कर रहे हैं. गुरुजी प्रणाम करते हैं आपको और बहुत हमको गाइडेंस जयेश गुरुजी. तो ये है. और बाकी
प्रणाम, कैसे हैं आप?
शीतल जी, गुड इवनिंग.
बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं आप म्यूजिक वेरांडा में सबको लाके, इट्स वेरी नाइस। सबसे
और
मुलाकात हुई आज।
जी जी जी, बहुत अच्छा
I will
लगा।
tell you something about him. He's actually doing a lot to the music industry, you know, the music, to the world of music. ये बहुत दूर दराज से अच्छे बच्चों को तराशते हैं, उनको आइडेंटिफाई करते तराशते हैं, and he, you know, actually introduces them to good platforms. So
वेरी
it is
नाइस।
in the way इतना डेडिकेटेडली करते हैं ये काम, तो हम बहुत we are very honored and we are very fortunate to have him at Veranda. So
लवली,
thank you
वेरी
for
नाइस,
being part of us. So
वेरी नाइस।
this has been a beautiful evening. लग ही नहीं रहा है कि ये शाम खत्म हो, इस सपने वाली शाम खत्म हो. But I think you have some time commitments, so we
Yes.
have to wind up this evening with a very strong message from Veranda. Believe in your dreams. Let your dreams be bigger than your fears. So that is very, very important, which we all have to take up. And saluting all the performers. I'm a music lover, so I'm actually performing. I'm actually saluting आप सब लोगों के जज्बे को, क्योंकि इतने कठिन टाइम में भी इतना मतलब आप लोग हिम्मत दिखा रहे हैं और हम लोगों को सबको मोटिवेट कर रहे हैं अपने गानों से, अपनी एनर्जी से. आप लोगों की एनर्जीज इतनी प्योर है, इतनी सुंदर है, एंड वी आर वेरी वेरी थैंकफुल that we have. I like this platform is like we are surrounded by all the musicians, and जो energies emit हो रही है, they are so powerful कि करो ना क्या सब कुछ भाग जाएगा. इतनी सुंदर energies हैं. So it is our responsibility as music lovers and all FB viewers who are watching this show, that we have to appreciate. It is not only we have to like, share, but we have to appreciate, we have to absorb, and we have to start feeling good music. क्योंकि जब हम लोग अच्छा म्यूजिक सुनेंगे तब ये लोग अच्छा म्यूजिक बनाएंगे.
बिल्कुल।
तो ये हम सबके as music lovers, it is our responsibility and to encourage all the performers and let music be everywhere, in each classroom, in each corporate meeting, in each alumni, in each family meeting, so that music heals. Music, you know, music is so divine, music is so soulful. So that is my message. Any last message, Sheetal ji, आपका है?
Yes, I would actually, take this opportunity, Anila ji and your Guruji, Jayesh ji and Gaurav, all the people who are there with us, who came and who sang on this platform. So and all the people, all the audiences who joined us, because all the artists are nothing without good audiences, without listening ears, who actually listen to us and who actually motivate and inspire us. Thank you so much for being here, taking out this time for us. I had a lovely time. पता ही नहीं चला एक डेढ़ घंटा कैसे निकला. It was really the interaction with all of you was really, really nice. I will remember it. And I would really like to say that, yes, like Anila said, let's all cherish music. Let's all, give our best, and you motivate and inspire us so that all the artists can do well. They can give their best to you all. आप जो अच्छा सुनना पसंद करेंगे तो हम बिल्कुल अच्छा अच्छा गाएंगे आप लोगों के लिए. And let's all pull each other out of this pandemic. ये कब तक चलेगा, God knows. But then, yes, let's all be each other's strength. These are the time of actually not this. Every moment is a time of being a good human. To keep humanity alive in us. So let's just together fight this pandemic. जीत कर दिखाना है. सब निकले इसमें से.
Wow, wonderful, wonderful.
Let's give a huge round of applause, everyone, guys.
Yay, lovely.
And, would you like to say thank you to Sheetal ji? I think, Gaurav ji is not available. So thank you, Sheetal ji. This is Anila Rampuria signing off. Gaurav, say goodbye to all the FB viewers.
Goodbye, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sheetal ji. Thank you each and everyone in the house. Guru ji, Devakar, Prerna, Madhu Mukesh ji, Darshana ji, Renu ji, everyone, छोटे बच्चे, बड़े बच्चे, सब को बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you so much. And one more time, Sheetal ji, thank you so much. बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है. बहुत लोगों के चेहरे पे खुशी आ चुकी है और बहुत लोग एनर्जी कहते हैं ना, चार्ज सच में चार्ज हो चुके हैं बिना बैटरी के. So it's a very great thing. Thank you so much, Sheetal ji, and you are such a wonderful heart, no doubt. Thank you.
Thank you, Gaurav. Thank you so much, everybody. Good night. Blessed day.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Take care. Yeah.
Lord Sheetal ji.